While it may seem like we're going around in circles about Cardano ADA, every realistic prediction is set for the long term. No one can accurately predict the exact moment when massive gains will begin to overflow for Cardano investors. We are assured of one fact though. Cardano is not slacking behind. It is setting the pace for everything it is going to be in the future. Recently, Cardano ADA showcased bullish sentiment as it punctured through the local resistance level of approximately 38 cents. As the norm, the surge was met with a reversal, forcing the market to mull over the forces at play behind the sharp turnaround. The resistance breakthrough can be attributed to several factors, one of which is the general market optimism surrounding Cardano's consistent development progress and the anticipation of new technological updates. Plus, the ADA community has been notably bullish about the upcoming enhancements, such as the introduction of smart contract capabilities and the improvements in scalability and interoperability. Regardless of this enthusiasm, ADA's price experienced a pullback. This reversal may be influenced by broader market trends, where investors' short-term profit-taking activities often follow such rapid rallies. Moreover, the resistance level itself could have been coupled with sell orders, hence the increased supply that temporarily outstripped demand. Another contributing factor to this reversal could be the crypto market's reaction to global economic alerts, such as shifts in monetary policy or fluctuating investor sentiment in other asset classes. We are indeed in a critical season. The crypto market is known for its volatility, and assets like ADA are not resistant to sudden shifts in the trading environment. Looking ahead, if ADA is to encounter a further reversal, the next support level to watch would be around the 35-cent mark. This level previously served as resistance and may now act as a new support, a common occurrence known as role reversal in technical analysis. If ADA falls below this level, the next critical support is likely to be found near the 32-cent price point, aligning with the 50-day moving average, a widely watched momentum indicator. No doubt, ADA has been among the best performing crypto assets this year, experiencing a nearly 70% price increase since January 1st. A couple of experts believe that the coin will provide the positive trend in 2024, with some envisioning that it could hit a new all-time high in the following months. The popular X user Ali observed certain charts and previous consolidation levels to set a $10 price target to be possibly achieved by the summer of 2024. On the other hand, Dan Gambardella, a Cardano expert, was one idea more bullish, arguing that ADA could spike to $11 shortly after the Bitcoin halving scheduled for April of next year, where its market capitalization could explode to the astonishing $400 billion. It is, after all, a widely anticipated event. While everyone thinks that Cardano's gains will start within the period of the event, some analysts have suggested that Cardano token could reach a new peak 1 year after the Bitcoin halving. Such an example is Fiery Trading, which argued that ADA might skyrocket to $35 in 2025, representing a whopping 9,000% increase compared to the asset's current valuation. Since the pattern has now been confirmed, we can take a look at the next bull market top. Assuming that the bull market top will be somewhere in 2025 and that ADA will continue to follow this pattern, we can make the assumption that ADA will top somewhere above $35, they argue. However, there has been much drama in the crypto market recently. The Cardano founder, Charles Hoskinson, is at the center of this situation. A heated discussion unfolded between Charles Hoskinson and Adam Back, a prominent Bitcoin advocate on the X social media platform. This means that it was a clash of tweets, so to speak. The core of their debate revolved around the classification of cryptocurrencies as either commodities or securities. During a livestream, Hoskinson challenged the cryptocurrency community to tell the difference between major players like Bitcoin and Cardano. Explain to me the effing difference between Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Cardano and the rest of the game. Explain it to me, like I'm 5 years old, right now. Run the goddamn Howey test on it. Show me the difference between the two. Tell me, he ranted. He highlighted the presence of the expectation of return in Bitcoin, thus questioning its decentralization. Adam Back is known for his significant contributions to Bitcoin. He argued that the flagship coin's origin as a mined currency with no initial coin offering distinguishes it from Ethereum and Cardano. Back classified Bitcoin as a commodity in line with gold and diamonds, and at the same time he views Ethereum and Cardano as unregistered securities. So in a counter-response, Hoskinson defended Cardano by stating that there was no ICO for Cardano either. However, some members of the Bitcoin community accused Hoskinson of misrepresenting the facts, citing Cardano's ICO price of $0.0024 per token and the ability for investors to purchase ADA with Bitcoin. According to the reports, the Cardano ICO was conducted through a voucher sale of a different asset, priced in yen and settled in Bitcoin. This approach, patterned specifically for Japanese citizens and excluding US participants, raised queries about the classification of Cardano under US securities laws. However, Hoskinson insisted that the voucher sale in Japan did not constitute an ICO. It may not be obvious, but he spilled over emotions in his livestream. So where did this start from? This happened when Kraken, a cryptocurrency exchange, once again found itself in regulatory crosshairs as the US Securities and Exchange Commission initiated a fresh lawsuit, designating Cardano and Solana, among other cryptocurrencies, as securities. The most recent development aligns with the overarching trend of regulatory actions targeting major exchanges and classifying diverse digital assets as securities, thus echoing the legal actions against Binance and Coinbase. The SEC's legal action against Kraken is indicative of expanding regulatory focus, extending beyond exchanges to specific cryptocurrencies. Notably, Cardano and Solana are now categorized as securities according to the SEC's latest lawsuit. This action further revealed Hoskinson's indignation towards the activities of the SEC. Earlier this year, the SEC pursued similar legal actions against Binance and Coinbase. It alleged that tokens like ADA, Solana, and Polygon Matic were operating as unregistered securities. As a result, this broader regulatory crackdown reflects ongoing efforts to bring various facets of the cryptocurrency market within the SEC's regulatory scope. Facing the SEC's assertions in June, Charles Hoskinson clarified that no enforcement action specifically targeted ADA. Similarly put, Input-Output Global, the firm behind the Cardano blockchain, and the Solana Foundation rejected the SEC's characterization of ADA and SOL as securities. Despite the resistance, the lawsuit contributes to the mounting regulatory uncertainty in the cryptocurrency space. This has led investors and market participants to closely observe unfolding developments and assess their potential impact on the implicated cryptocurrencies. Even if Cardano ADA will eventually return investors $1 million, they would still want to play it safe. They would not be interested in a cryptocurrency entangled with the SEC. Notwithstanding, we cannot deny the fact that this volatile and unpredictable cryptocurrency market has made some bold and lucky investors rich, but it has also caused some to lose a lot of money too. Cardano is remarkable from other cryptos in that the development process can be characterized as slow and steady. Updates are researched thoroughly and peer-reviewed before being implemented, a process that adds time but can improve the blockchain's growth by making sure mistakes are minimized. This is one of the major distinguishing factors. It is amazing to see cryptocurrencies continue to find ways to improve their networks to gain greater adoption over time. All of this activity bodes well for the future of Cardano. The latest uptrend by ADA followed a period of price declines recorded in most of October. Despite bullish developments surrounding the Cardano ecosystem, ADA failed to establish a solid position above 40 cents. A battle between the bulls and the bears have seen Cardano consolidating between 35 cents and 39 cents since November 18th. As this battle intensifies, the past few days have been largely unfavorable for ADA. However, there are reasons to be excited about Cardano. The prospects matter the most. Despite the accusations from the SEC, Charles Hoskinson took to X to celebrate the platform's most remarkable research milestones, with Input-Output Global's library of papers nearing an impressive 200. The Cardano founder shared his astonishment at the approaching 200 paper milestone as the community celebrated its increasing research store. Input-Output Global has curated a large library that offers a wealth of information that has been peer-reviewed and accepted for presentation at renowned academic conferences. The first paper, Ouroboros, a provably secure proof-of-stake blockchain protocol, presented at Crypto 2017, demonstrated the network's dedication to academic excellence. This paper, which launched Cardano, has been cited over 1,200 times, illustrating its enormous impact on the broader blockchain community. Cardano's journey from 2015 has been guided by the vision to transform the design and development of cryptocurrencies. The commitment to a research-driven approach has been critical to Cardano's identity, refining its development philosophy and establishing a solid foundation of best practices and contributions. There are still many milestones to hold on to in Cardano. It may be caught up in a situation with the SEC, but there is no surrender yet. Its value will eventually speak for itself. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you subscribe and click on the notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.